Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.
And today we are unlucky not to have Mr. Mohsin with us, and hopefully he will be available, he will be present tomorrow. Don't weep, please. It's a temporary, you can say, separation. Day before yesterday,
Yes, sir.
we had a session over here, and the format we discussed, it was format number 3 of module 1, and it was based on V2, no? And you know that format number 1 was based on V1, format 2 was also based on V1, but format 3, it is based on V2. And the question, it is, what did you do, what did you write, what did you speak, what did you understand,
Yes.
what clear?
Yes, sir.
And a response to this question is very simple. What do? We talked about who first of all. For example, I, we, next you, they, then PN. For example, no teachers, professors, students, drivers. Example, please for PN. Passengers,
Players,
doctors, PN. Okay.
patients,
customers, shopkeepers,
passengers,
okay. And then next category of who, that is not that he, she, it, and SN. Example of SN, please.
sir. Boy,
girl. When we were talking about PN, you were giving example of SN, and now we're talking about SN, and you know that giving examples of PN. Please, PN is a plural noun, no?
Yes,
More than one. Singular noun, one. So simple. Noun we mean, whenever we say who, we mean person, no? Say, so who, and after that we do. For example, I ate, you ate, Mr. Usman Ali ate, your parents ate, your friends ate, everybody ate. What? Food. I ate food, you ate food, Mr. Usman Ali,
yes,
I mean he ate food. No?
yes, sir.
Again, your mother, I mean she.
Yes, sir.
No, she ate food, your father ate food. No, everybody ate food. I made a mistake by saying eat, sorry. So everybody ate food in the morning, except those people, know that who are on dieting, whatever that. What do we call it?
Sir. Dieting weight.
Okay. Or those who are not allowed to eat it, no, for the serious patients are there, etc. But even they had food in different form, liquid, etc. So this was our format.
Yes, right, sir.
Before we move forward to our today's lesson, that is format number 4, it's better now to revise now the previous format. You ready for that?
Ready, sir.
Question is very simple. It was a holiday yesterday, we had 10th of Muharram. So yesterday, what did you do? Your activities, even you can talk about day before yesterday. You left to know this place, this room, Now that I think at 11, and so I approximately at 11.
Yes, right.
And we are meeting now that it's 10:30 now. So during these hours, what did you do? Please.
I went to my village.
You went to your village?
Yes, sir.
Please.
I recited the Holy Quran.
You recited the Holy Quran.
I wrote a letter.
You wrote a letter.
I ate the rice.
You ate rice. You ate rice. You ate apples. You ate bananas. You ate rice. Clear?
Yes.
You took tea. Please.
I drove a bike.
You drove.
Drove
You
a bike.
drove motorbike.
My great sir.
Okay. You went to the village.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And to reach that destination, you drove motorbike. Please.
I visited the market.
You visited the market.
Yes.
You purchased the required item, the things you needed.
Yes.
Okay.
I offer.
Okay.
I offer prayer.
You offered prayers.
Yes.
Okay.
I met
Very good. You met.
with friend.
You met you met your friends, you met your relatives,
Yes.
you met your parents, no?
Yes.
I'm sure you were not over here in Joraba.
In village.
You were there in village.
Yes.
You went to your village.
Yes.
And the name of your village is
Jandawala.
Jandawala, no? District Bakka.
Yes.
So you went to Jandawala,
Yes.
a village over there in District Bakka.
Yes.
So over there you met your parents, you met your relatives, you
Yes.
met your friends.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
You met different people.
Yes.
Your playmates, no?
Yes.
Okay, please.
I visited graveyard.
You visited the graveyard, just like you're talking about. This is the culture of the Muslim societies,
Yes.
especially we the Muslims living in the subcontinent, and most of the Muslims, they visit the graveyards on the
Yes,
10th of
yes.
Muharram. So you visited the graveyard, no?
Yes,
Okay, please.
I visited the field.
You visited the field. You went to the field. No, okay. You had a look. You had a look at the crops over
Yes.
there. No, absolutely. Ji.
I recited the Holy Quran.
Okay, you recited the Holy Quran yesterday. No, and what did you understand from the part of the Holy Quran which you recited yesterday?
I understand.
Understand.
Understand it.
Understood.
Understood.
You understood. No, but the message of
Message
God.
of God, right, sir.
You understood the message of God.
Yes, sir.
About what?
About way of life.
Very good. You understood the message of God about the way of life, about humanity, about peace, no? About love,
Yes, sir.
about cooperation. All these things are there in the Holy Quran. Please, Usman Ali.
I told my friend.
You talked with your friends on different topics.
Different.
For example, what were the topics you talked on, or you talked?
Learning English.
Very good. You talked with your friends, no, and your talk was about learning English, but how to learn English, what is its importance now in this century,
Yes.
especially this 21st century, and the whole world is
Yes.
known as a global village, and English is an international language now.
Yes.
Okay, please.
I offered funeral ceremony.
Very good. You offered now the funeral ceremony. The funeral ceremony means Jabat Salatul Janaza, whatever we offer over there. And we pray to Allah Almighty for the forgiveness, and that may He forgive the dead one. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so you offer the funeral ceremony. Okay.
I draw bike in other village.
What's mistake you made? Think.
Drove.
Drove. Very good. Drive, drove, driven, driving. So you drove the motorbike, towards
Other.
to some other village,
Yes.
okay, in the neighborhood,
Yes.
okay, near your village, Jandawala. See, we have taken, let me check now, we have spent 9 minutes and 34 seconds.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
9 minutes and 34 seconds, approximately 10 minutes today of this session.
Yes.
What did we do in these 10 minutes? Today's session. What did we do, please?
I communicate
Very good.
together.
Very good. We communicated, our ideas, our expressions, again, our business, our activities, clear?
Yes.
With each other,
Yes.
Or we shared our data,
Later also.
our ideas,
Yes.
our thoughts, our feelings. Please. What else did we do? Now, in the early 10 minutes of today's class.
We discussed
Very good.
about license.
Very good. We discussed about the holidays. We discussed
Yes.
about our activities during last that 47 hours. Okay.
We spoke English. We spoke format 3.
Very good. We practiced format number 3. Okay.
We discussed about format number 3.
Very good. We discussed format number 3. Okay, please. See, we developed our confidence, we enhanced our vocabulary, we enriched our vocabulary, we developed our communication skills. Clear?
Yes.
Like that, So, I request my brothers to practice more and more.
Yes.
See, if I put forward a simple question that in the latest class of ours, day before yesterday, what did we do and how? What did we do and how? For example, we spoke English
Yes.
confidently,
Yes.
nervously,
Yes.
fluently. Points clear?
Yes.
Like that, please. During our latest session that was there on 11th of this month, I mean day before yesterday, what did you do and how?
We discussed our ideas.
How?
We discussed our ideas very deeply.
Very good. We discussed, or you discussed your ideas very deeply, very clearly.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Logically,
Yes.
or rationally, or sincerely,
Yes.
frankly. Clear?
Yes.
Open-heartedly, open-mindedly.
Yes.
Okay.
We attended the lecture very attentively.
What's the mistake? What's
We attended.
attended? Very good.
Yes.
You attended the class, the lecture, the session.
Yes.
How? Very attentively. Very good. Attentiveness is very, very important.
Yes.
See, please.
We spoke very confidently.
Very good, You spoke English very confidently.
Yes, sir.
You spoke about your ideas very confidently.
confidently.
Very good. Please.
We practiced
Okay. You practiced what? English?
English
How?
very clearly.
Clearly, or you can say very effectively, or you can say interestedly. Clear? Or you can say properly.
Properly.
Clear?
Yes.
So the last part of the reading before we move forward, that is that how old are you?
24, 23.
You are 24 now,
Yes, sir.
You are
22 years.
22. You are of 22, you are of 24.
Yes.
My question is very simple. During your 22 years of age, during your 24 years of age,
Yes.
what did you do and why? Very simple question. What did you do and why? You got admission in the school for education.
Yes.
to get knowledge. Point is clear?
Yes.
You read the Holy Quran to understand the message of Allah Almighty. No clear?
Yes.
Please. Shahnawaz Usmani. The question is clear or not?
Sir, please
See
repeat.
better.
Yes, sir.
You are 24 years old. You are 22 years old.
Yes.
During this span of time,
Yes.
during your 22 years of age, during your 24 years of age, my question is very simple, that what did you do and why? You did a lot of work.
Yes, sir.
You carried out a lot of activities.
Yes.
Clear? Many activities you carried out. But my question is, why?
I did. I learned different ideas for my
Career.
career, right, sir.
You learned different ideas for your career.
Right, sir.
Clear? Or for a successful life.
Yes, right, sir.
Clear? Or you learned different ideas to lead a successful life.
Yes, sir.
Or you learned many ideas, no, to brighten your future.
Yes, sir.
To brighten your future.
Yes,
No,
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
I carry all my study for my future.
Very good. You studied.
Yes.
You studied in different educational institutions for your bright future.
Yes.
Please, next.
I observe.
Nature.
No.
Okay.
I observe different things for myself, for better myself.
You observed different things, a different phenomenon, different people,
Yes, sir.
different places.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why? To better yourself, to
Yes.
groom your personality.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
To learn from them, to learn from each and every phenomenon.
Yes, sir.
Clear? To learn the lesson from. Okay. No, question is difficult.
Yes, sir.
Question difficult.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You're not here.
I
Dear, dear friends, please.
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
Don't do as gentleman is doing.
No, I am here.
Don't do your concentration. Please.
I ate.
Okay.
I ate food
Okay.
for my health.
You ate food, no? You ate food for health.
Yes, right, sir.
You ate food to get energy, for energy.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, right.
Or to maintain your health.
Yes, right.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I helped my family.
Okay.
I support my family.
You supported your family. You assisted your family. You helped your family. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Why?
It's my purpose.
Because, what do you mean with purpose now? But it's my duty.
Duty.
Because it was my
Duty.
duty. That's your point of view.
Yes.
You helped your family because it was your duty. Let's see, please.
I played different types of game for my enjoyment.
Okay, you played different games for enjoyment,
Yes.
for entertainment.
Entertainment, right.
Clear?
Yes.
For know that, for stamina,
Yes, sir.
for mental fitness, for physical fitness, and so on. Please.
I visited different areas
Okay.
for my
Why? You visited different areas. Why? I request my brothers now to please unlock your positive minds.
Yes.
Clear? So you visited different areas. Why?
for knowledge.
Very good.
Yes.
For knowledge, to get knowledge, to meet different people,
Yes.
to meet literary people.
Yes.
Clear? So how simple that is.
Yes.
So tomorrow you will have to speak on this question. You will have to attempt it, no? That you are 22 years, you are of 24 years. What did you do and why? Clear? Very, very important. So let's move forward. You ready?
Yes, sir, ready, sir.
Today's question is, one thing, let me, so we have done that, no?
Yes.
There's a bond as well, no?
Yes.
So we are,
Didn't.
no, so it means we have to complete it today, not
Yes, sir.
format number 4.
Yes.
Sorry, we made a mistake. Let's first complete it, then we can move forward, no? That's question number what can be, okay, simple. See gentlemen, we forgot, see the supplement A.
Yes.
Format number 3. See, the question is, what didn't you do?
Yes, sir.
What didn't you do, please? And then, see, I didn't, after that there is no
V1, right?
V1. Very, very important, no? I speak, I don't speak. I will speak, I won't speak. Points clear?
Yes.
Again, you can say, I don't disobey Allah. I won't disobey Allah. I didn't disobey Allah.
Right, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
You can say, I don't insult anybody.
Yes.
I won't
Insult
insult anybody. I didn't insult anybody.
Right, sir.
Clear? The question is, what didn't you do, please? During the last 24 hours. Let's be more specific, more simple.
I didn't tease anyone.
Very good. You didn't tease anyone.
Yes.
Please.
I didn't tell a lie.
You didn't tell a lie. Very good. Please.
I didn't smoke.
You didn't smoke. Very good.
I didn't drink wine.
Very good. You didn't drink wine. MashaAllah. May Allah Almighty be with you. That is not allowed in Islam.
Yes.
No, Quran says that there are some benefits as well. The Quran says when you make the comparisons, no, of drinking, no, there
Yes.
is some benefits and losses. So losses are more as
Yes.
compared to
Yes.
the benefits, no. That's why it's not allowed in Islam.
Yes.
See, so you didn't drink wine, no? Okay, please.
I didn't play any game in 24 hours.
Very good. You didn't play any games during last 24 hours.
Right.
Okay, and what? You won't play the coming 24 hours? No, you will.
I think so, sir.
You think so?
Yeah.
Why? What's the reason?
Reason because I am busy
Okay.
in my work.
What kind of that work, you are busy in?
Sometime I visit to my village,
Okay.
and sometimes
There will be lot of activities you have to carry out. That's what you think that you won't play, you won't be able to play. No, okay. See, please, didn't. I didn't.
I didn't watch video.
You didn't watch the video which I gave.
No, sir.
Okay. You didn't watch the video. You didn't watch the movie. You didn't watch TV. Right, wrong?
Right.
You didn't watch TV. Sure.
Last 20.
During last 24
Yes.
hours, you didn't watch TV. Okay, please.
I didn't read. I didn't read
Okay.
any book in last 24.
You didn't read any books, no, during last 24 hours. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. The students, who are preparing for the arts, and they
Didn't.
see, they didn't read no single book, during last 24 hours. What a great people you
Because
are.
I have no book. I am.
You have no book. Again, one other blunder. No, the art student has no book.
Because I am in village and my books at my home.
Third thing, his books are so away, even if he wants to study, so he can't because his books are so away from him, or he is so away from them. Very good, don't bring them over here, keep them over there, and now decorate on the shelves now, so that the people can call you, what a man he is, member of man.
Yes.
There was a very famous, you can say, article, some sort of written by now that Patras Bukhari, very famous essay, Mehbul Man. Okay, please.
I didn't abuse anyone.
You didn't abuse anyone.
Yes.
Okay. Let me know. We have spent, let me confirm, approximately, 25 minutes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
During this 25-minute session, what didn't we do?
We didn't speak loudly.
Very good. Today even I am able to keep myself cool and calm.
Yes.
At a very low pitch I'm speaking.
Yes, sir.
Again, this is a very positive thing. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So we didn't speak loudly.
Yes, right.
First. And I didn't speak Punjabi. In
Yes.
Punjabi it is very difficult for anybody to make me, to control me,
Yes.
I can't show my feeling.
Yes, sir.
And that I start talking, pray to Allah Almighty that I should continue with that. Otherwise, half of your session,
In Punjab.
okay, it will be best. Please.
We didn't drink water.
Very good. We didn't drink water. I drank tea. You didn't drink tea.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
You didn't drink tea. What's the mistake?
We didn't drink
Very good. So I drank water? No. I didn't drink water. I drank tea.
Yes.
You didn't drink anything.
Anything.
No tea, no
No
water. Okay, please.
We didn't mistake in last 25 minutes.
We didn't make mistakes.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Make mistake in last.
And you finally you made mistake now.
Yes, sir.
So you think that you didn't make mistake during last and during this first 25 minutes of this class. Okay.
We didn't waste time.
We didn't waste time. Today, still we are talking
Yes.
in English very successfully, or we are trying to be successful,
Yes.
we are making efforts, and we are praying to Allah Almighty,
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, please.
We didn't saw Mr. Mohsin.
We didn't?
We didn't see Mr. Mohsin
Okay.
in last 24 minutes.
Very good. We didn't see him, and we won't see him
Yes.
in the coming more than 35 minutes.
Mr.
The
Mohsin.
reason is,
Yes.
he has already sent a text now that he won't be able to attend the class today.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So we didn't see him during first 25 minutes, and we won't see him in coming 35 minutes. Okay, please. We missed him very much
Yes.
today.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, we didn't feel comfortable without his
Most-
presence.
Yeah.
He really is a very good, very positive contributor.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Okay, please.
We
Okay.
didn't write any word last 24 minutes.
Very good. We didn't write any word over there. It's a very positive sign. Very positive. Gentlemen, today is a 13.
Yes.
Yes.
Like that. Now,
Yes.
how to practice see? Like that. I did it and I didn't speak. I didn't speak, the truth. I didn't speak the truth with anybody. I didn't lie. I didn't lie, with anybody.
Yes.
Like that, So I didn't play. What? I didn't play cricket. I didn't play cricket, with anybody. I didn't play cricket. Where?
In Giro.
I didn't play cricket, in the street.
in the
I
street.
played in the
At-
playground.
Yes.
At
Clear? I didn't play cricket on the roofs.
Yes.
They used to play. I
Yes.
remember 1984, 83, 84. Oh, there's some of my friends over there, in the same colony.
Yes.
On the roof, we used to play.
Yes. Some-
Okay, see. Like that, I didn't speak English when I was in my village,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
when I was with my friend. Clear?
Yes.
Like that. I didn't speak English properly, or I didn't speak English improperly.
Yes.
Means I spoke properly. There's something wrong with. See, I didn't eat anything. Why? Because I was ill.
Yes.
Because I was not fit. I didn't take exercise.
Yes.
Because
I
there
feel
was
like-
no such place
Yes.
to take exercise.
Yes,
Clear?
right.
Yes.
So you will practice like
Yes.
Right.
that. Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
Now let's format number 4. stage. It was done on 11th, I think.
Yes.
Late?
Yes.
No, sir. Today is 13th, sir.
No, that's F3.
Yes, right, sir.
See, this is format
Yes.
number 4. Very, very simple.
Yes, sir.
It is based on the question. You ready?
Ready,
Yes.
sir?
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
No.
How to respond?
Yes, sir.
Have a look at it.
We are.
Again, I mean
Yes.
I.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then who? Then there are 3 choices. You can say am,
Yes.
I am,
Yes.
Or
we are,
Yes.
And-
you are,
yes,
they are, PN, are, he is,
He is,
she is,
he is,
it is,
it is.
and SN is. No? And then there is V4.
Yes.
Example of V4, please.
Playing.
Playing,
Yes, sir.
playing,
Training.
training,
Observing.
observing,
Writing.
writing,
Surfing.
surfing,
Reading.
reading,
Listening.
listening,
Speaking.
speaking,
Watching.
watching,
Going.
going. Okay, my question is very simple, that what are you doing now in this class?
Yes, sir.
Please.
We are.
See, if you ask me the same question, I would say, I am speaking English.
Yes, sir.
I am standing at the dais.
Dice.
I am talking to you. I am looking at you. I am learning from you.
Yes.
I am trying to explain the lesson. Clear? I am holding the red ballpoint in my right hand.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
See, so what are you doing?
We're discussing our ideas.
About yourself only.
Yes, sir. I am discussing my ideas.
You are sharing your ideas.
Yes.
What is he doing?
He is sharing his ideas.
He is sharing his idea.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, what's about you? What are you doing now?
I am attending the class.
You are attending the class. Very
Yes.
good. You are participating in the class.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
You are sharing your information with us now. So you are attending the class. What is he doing?
He is participating his class.
He is participating in the class.
In the class, right, sir.
He is attending the class.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
What are you doing?
I am watching my video.
You are watching your video there.
Yes.
That okay. You are watching your video. You are not attentive.
Sir, I am attending.
You are attentive, but at the same time you are watching that. You are
Yes.
enjoying, no?
Yes.
Okay. So you are watching your video, please.
He is watching his video.
And what's about you? You are enjoying his follies,
Yes.
his stupidities, clear, his sillies,
Yes.
no? Again, please, what are you doing? No, he's a very great man, no?
Yes.
Today he is more confident, no? He is more logical,
Yes.
he is more to the point, no? Really, very impressive.
Yes.
He's encouraging. Please,
I am listening
okay. Listening to.
listening to
You are listening to? You are listening to what?
my teacher.
You are listening to the teacher. Very good. You are listening to the teacher.
Yes.
He is listening to his teacher.
Very good. Mr. Usman Ali is listening to his teacher. Please.
I thinking about my future.
Once again, waiter.
I think.
What's the mistake, Usman?
I am.
Yes, sir.
No. Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm thinking about my mistake. I thinking about my future.
See, I was just praying.
Yes.
I was feeling something very special.
Yes,
no?
yes.
But it means I shouldn't praise you. I shouldn't admire your
Yes.
performance.
I thinking about.
Still, he's
I
back.
am thinking about my future.
You are thinking about your future. Please.
He is thinking about his future.
Okay. And what's about you?
I am
Oh, really?
enjoying.
Right.
I am enjoying the
Okay.
today class.
You are enjoying today's class.
Yes.
You are enjoying today's class.
Yes.
Please.
He is enjoying today class.
Today's class.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I am just changing the question. No?
Yes.
What are you doing these days? Question clear? What are you doing these days? Nowadays. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing these days in your 24 hours? Please. It is not specific with
Yes.
this time.
Yes.
I'm talking about these days, nowadays.
Yes.
Great?
In 24 hours.
In these days, for example,
Yes.
you are staying in the hostel.
Yes.
You are staying out of your
Yes.
village. You are staying now that in Yoruba. Clear?
Yes.
Like that. Now again, you are missing your parents these
Yes.
days very much.
Yes.
You are preparing for the IELTS these days.
Yes,
Yes.
right.
Clear?
Yes.
You are developing your English communication skills
These days.
these days.
Yes.
These days, nowadays.
I am listening to the IELTS listening test. I am listening to IELTS listening test these days.
You are listening to the videos. Or
Yes.
Yes.
That is, or audios.
Audio, sir.
Okay, you are listening to the audios, no,
Yes.
containing, no, the IELTS listening data.
Yes, right, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Your number of audios, I gave you, I think, no?
Yes, sir, right.
Yes.
Thousands of audio files are there, no?
Yes, right,
Yes.
sir.
Conversations, different stories are there,
Yes, sir.
personalities are there,
Yes,
no?
Yes, sir. With
Like-
PDF file, right, sir.
in PDF files as well. Now you open the PDF file and you start first you read,
Yes.
Yes.
and if in order to verify whether you read it properly or not, you listen to it. That
Yes.
you are doing all these things.
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing these days?
I am
Ah.
practicing
Very good. You are practicing what?
the IELTS in these days.
You are practicing the IELTS data.
Data.
Contents.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
The IELTS formats.
Format.
Clear? Four different, you can say, areas are there.
Yes.
No, you are to be tested.
Tested.
No, so you are practicing all these four areas or pillars of language.
Yes.
Okay,
I am building my English vocabulary.
very good. You are building your English vocabulary. What is he building these days?
He is building his
English vocabulary. He is building his English vocabulary these days. What's about you?
I am thinking about the IELTS test.
You are thinking about the IELTS test
Test.
now. Clear?
Yes.
Seriously.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Properly.
Properly.
Practically, no? Okay. Next, please. These days.
I am searching different types of idioms and phrases nowadays.
Very good. You are searching for different idioms and phrases.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Searching, you are surfing
Yes,
the
yes,
internet
right.
for this purpose. No?
Yes, right, sir.
A lot of vocabulary, a
Yes.
lot of data is available.
Yes,
No?
right.
Thanks to the people now, really, who uploaded this data.
Right, sir.
Great people, we
yeah.
should be grateful to you. Really, thank you very much, dear brothers and sisters. Okay,
I am watching the video data.
okay. You are watching now the videos or the visual data, okay, which is available on YouTube or other different websites.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
What is he doing these days?
He is watching his data,
The visual data
the visual data about IELTS.
about IELTS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please. As a Muslim,
Yes, sir.
try to understand.
Yes.
As a Muslim, what are you doing these days? As a Muslim,
As a Muslim, we are offering prayers these days.
you are offering prayers regularly
Yes.
and punctually.
Actually, right, sir.
You are offering prayers regularly and punctually these days,
Right.
because both Quran says, "Na inna salat kanat alal mu'minina kitabam mawquda." That
Yes.
offering prayers, no, Quran says it is prescribed. No, it is to be offered. The prayer is to be offered at its prescribed time.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So that's why you are offering prayers regularly and punctually.
Right.
With the regularity and punctuality. Please,
I am helping the poor.
You are helping the poor as a Muslim.
Yes.
Let's see, think about it.
I am describing myself
Okay.
very deeply.
Okay. So you are trying to explore yourself.
Yes, sir.
That is the commandment of God, no, to explore yourself, no.
Yes.
And if you explore, you will find that other human beings are like you or you are like others, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You will forget about the differences, no, and you will try to come to the common terms.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And that's very, very important. You will start loving each and every human being.
Yes, sir.
Very, very important, no? And those who are not on the right path, no, what will you do? You will pray for them,
Yes.
and you will pray for yourself as well.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you will not criticize anybody negatively
Yes.
or just for the sake of criticism.
Yes.
Very good. Ji.
I am trying to
Okay.
improve my.
Okay, you are trying to improve your understanding of Islam. And how is that? You are consulting the Holy Quran. You are trying to understand the Holy
Yes.
Quran. You are learning the Holy Quran with
Yes.
proper understanding, its meanings, etc. Clear?
Yes.
Ji.
Nowadays I am missing someone.
You are, as a Muslim, you are missing someone. That is Shir Ali Malik, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but okay, again, that's a very important point, no? That, say that Prophet Muhammad Sallam, when he talked about the rights and duties of the Muslim, so there are 7, the basic duties of every Muslim, to be performed for other Muslim.
Yes, right. sir.
And one of them, to meet him with
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Meeting with that,
Yes.
yes, your Muslim, for the others, no. So you are, in that particular sense,
Yes.
you are missing him,
Yes.
okay? Okay.
I am trying to help.
Okay.
I am trying to behave myself.
Very good. You are trying to behave yourself, as a real human being.
Yes.
Clear? As a practicing Muslim.
Yes.
As the real follower of Muhammad
Yes.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Not to disturb anybody. Not to create problem for anybody. Not to hate anybody, no?
Yes.
See, to hate the crime and sin, but not to hate the person. Very, very
Yes.
important. You are trying, to convince others, so that those people can also adopt, or practice, the real message of God, the message of peace. Okay, please.
I am reciting Holy Quran with proper understanding.
Very good. You are reciting the Holy Quran with proper understanding. The last one, please. As a Muslim, what are you doing these days?
I am trying to collect the
Okay.
Islamic data.
Very good. You are trying or you are collecting the Islamic data from where? From the Holy Quran, from the books contained the sayings of the Prophet
Yes.
Muhammad Sallallahu, and from the Islamic
Others.
history and
Yes.
from internet,
Yes.
from other you can say sources of information,
Yes.
etc.
Yes.
See, as a student of English language,
Yes.
as a student of English language, what are you doing these days?
I am reading English newspaper these days.
You are reading the English newspaper properly.
Properly,
Yes.
right? sir.
You are reading the English newspaper with proper understanding.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please.
I am attending the class regularly.
You are attending the English classes regularly
Yes.
as a student of
Yes.
English language now. Okay, please.
I am watching different types of English grammar videos and IELTS videos
Okay.
from computer.
Very good. From the internet,
Yes.
or on computer. You're talking about that you are watching, different videos
Yes.
about, the IELTS,
Yes.
about the IELTS, containing, the, you can say listening test videos, that the speaking test
Speaking, right.
videos, that the writing test videos and the reading test videos. Lot of data is available,
Yes, right.
number of videos
Yes.
are available. Very useful videos that different people have uploaded,
Yes.
and we should thank them from the core of our hearts.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
See, please,
I.
I'm just changing the
Yes.
question now. See, Very, very important. Try to understand the question. As a citizen of global village, what?
Global village, right?
As a citizen of global village,
Right, sir.
what are you doing these days? I'm not feeling it, but there is something wrong. Okay?
So as sitting in global village,
Citizen of global village,
citizen
okay?
of global village, I am surfing internet and watching my uncle
No, first one minute. You are surfing internet,
internet
okay?
and
Two, you are surfing internet, no, to know about others and to let others know about you.
You, right, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you can say you are surfing internet.
Yes.
You are surfing internet regularly.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
To keep yourself in touch.
Yes.
To keep yourself in touch, no, with the other citizens of the same village.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Please.
I am thinking about the
Okay. As a citizen of
Citizen.
21st century, or
Yes.
as a citizen of this global village, what are you doing, please? He is surfing the internet. He is keeping himself in touch with the other citizens of the same village. What's about you?
I am trying to
Okay,
connect the
very good. You are trying to connect
people.
connect with the people of different parts of the whole world of the same village. Okay,
I am meeting with different peoples in global village from using internet.
by using it
By
again, you are meeting, you are contacting, you are interacting.
Yes.
Proper, I think, interact,
Yes.
interaction.
Right.
So you are interacting with other citizens, with other people, of the same village.
Yeah.
We're talking about the global village.
Yes.
Okay,
I am trying to discuss the different problem
okay.
with
With others, you are trying to discuss, the problem, the social issues, again, the economical issues,
Yes.
the religious issues,
Yes.
again, the humanitarian problems and issues. Okay,
I am watching different types of
Okay.
videos all over the countries,
okay,
how to live
okay.
in his society.
You are trying to watch the videos to know how to live in this world, how to live in this
In this
village,
world, yes.
live successfully,
Yes.
properly, or you can say usefully,
Yes.
or meaningfully, or fruitfully. Please.
I am visiting the
Okay, you are visiting different websites, you are visiting different parts of the world
Yes.
on internet,
different areas.
Clear?
Yes.
You are using a different kind of devices
To connect
please to
Connect.
converse with others,
others.
to stay connected
Yes.
with others. Please.
I am surfing internet and reading and read different types of
reading
different types of things about knowledge of countries, these countries,
Excellent.
because these countries is like as a global village.
Very good. So you are reading,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes.
And you are reading, you can say different material, different data available on internet now, and you are reading the data about about other countries of the world,
Yes.
or of the same village,
Yes, sir.
other population. And what is the intention?
Using internet.
No, that is a more that you are surfing
Yes.
the internet. But what is the intention
Uh,
of reading that data?
sir, reading with the proper understanding.
No, that is how are you reading. But what is the intention behind that? Why are you reading that?
Because build my
Okay.
build my self.
Okay, to groom your personality, to again to enable yourself now
Yes.
to be compatible with the other world, no,
Yes,
with the
right.
other part of the world, no,
Yes, right.
or to be able no to communicate with others no
Yes.
efficiently, or to learn from others, or to share your ideas and thoughts with others now.
Yes.
Give and take, no. Please.
I am trying to solve the
Okay.
different problem
Okay, you're trying to solve different problems
with the people of other,
with the help of with the help of other people, no,
Yes.
the people you are in contact with,
Yes.
in touch with.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Again, got it, no? See. Okay. So, something new to you, I'm sure.
Yes.
Third question, or the third, you can say, a format about the same question is, what are you doing next?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What? First, what are you doing now? As you can say, you are standing now.
Yes.
You are sharing your information. You are learning a lot. What are you doing these days? You are surfing internet these days. You are staying out of your village these days. You are staying now in a hostel these days now.
Yes.
Clear? You are missing Mr. Sher Ali Malik these
Yes,
days.
sir.
Next, for example, we have approximately 10 minutes to go. So my question is now that the coming, gentlemen, I'm in the class right now. As the class is over, I'll contact you. Okay, thank you, Aslam. Actually, he was trying and trying.
Yes,
See, great Mr. Pesci.
Yes, I know, sir.
You know him, no?
Yes, sir.
Very intelligent
Yes,
person,
sir. Right, sir.
again,
Very
very
good.
hardworking, smart boy, sharp-minded,
That's right.
witty. See, third format, next.
Yes.
We have 9 minutes to go.
Yes.
What are we doing in next 9 minutes? Clear?
Yes.
What are we doing in next 9 minutes? For example, we are practicing more.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
We are practicing more. What? No, the same format number
Yes.
4.
Yes, sir.
And if I ask, what are you doing after the class, please? What are you doing after the class? Please.
I am going home after the class.
You doing?
Going home.
Very good. You are going home after the class.
Yes.
You are returning your home after the class.
Yes.
Very good. This is something new to you, I'm sure.
Yes. Yes.
Very, very important. In other words, we can say we will go home.
Yes.
You will go home.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
You will leave the classroom. You will know that kick your motorbike. You will start it now.
Yes, sir.
And so on. No. You will gear it
Yes.
now. You will press now the clutch,
Yes.
etc. You will accelerate. So you can say I am.
I am, yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I am leaving this room.
Yes.
And so please.
I am opening the door.
You are opening the door soon of the class.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, after the class. Right.
And you are in hurry to leave it.
Leave.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Please.
I am attending the
Okay. After this class, you are attending some other ceremony. What kind of that ceremony is no? You are attending some party.
I am-
You are attending some meeting. You are attending some other class somewhere else. Please.
After the class, I am visiting different types of market.
Excellent. You are visiting different markets. no?
Market, right.
It can be food market, it can be the shoe mart, it can be the computer, the IT market,
Yes, right.
it can be
Cloth.
cloth market. Very good, please.
I am taking rest after the
Very good. You are taking, and you need it because the way you are swaying your body, it seems that you are tired now. So you are taking rest.
Yes.
You are taking rest of the class, please.
I am thinking about my future.
You are thinking about your future of the class. Even though you are thinking,
Yes.
you know you are thinking about your future. These days you are thinking about your future very
Yes.
seriously,
Yes.
practically.
Right.
Yes.
And even after the class you are thinking about your future
Yes.
practically. How? If you are reading English books, if you're watching English videos, if you're listening to English audios,
Yes.
it means you're thinking about your future. Future, I'm
Yes.
talking about the IELTS examination,
Yes.
the test. Then you're thinking about your future practically.
Practical.
And if you don't do anything, which I just described, and some more are there reading newspapers, etc. No,
Yeah.
it means you are thinking about your future.
But wasting time.
Very good. Without doing any practical task or work. Next.
I am returning home
Okay.
without wasting time.
Very good. You are returning your home without wasting time. Soon after class. See beta. Next you can see, I think like that. What are you doing now? I am learning English.
Yes, right.
I'm learning English with Mr. Usman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm learning English now with Mr.
Shan.
Shanawaz. I'm learning English with you, the people, no? I'm learning English where? At Sela, no? I'm learning English now. I'm learning English now at this time.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes.
Clear? I'm learning English now attentively, interestedly. Clear?
Yes.
I'm learning English now to qualify
By the
my IELTS test.
exam.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Like that, no? So you will practice all these things.
Yes.
This is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So if we add, you ready?
Yes, right.
We have 5 minutes now or 6 minutes. That is format number and module number 3.
Yes, sir.
We did it?
Yes, sir.
Have to, we have done has to,
Yes, sir.
and
Sir, can you explain have to for?
see, to qualify the IELTS,
Yes, sir.
what has some student to do?
Yes, sir.
There is a student who wants to qualify the IELTS.
Yes, sir.
What has that student to do? He has to develop his English standard.
Yes.
Yes.
He has to develop his listening skills.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
He has to develop his speaking skills.
Yes.
Yes.
He has to develop his writing skills.
Yes.
He has to develop his what? Reading skills. Clear?
Yes.
So you're talking about have to. That is the difference of that who A and who B.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have to, we have to, you have to, they have to, P and have to, he has to, she has to. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
If we have simple question, to quench your hunger, to quench,
Yeah.
you want to relieve your hunger, you want to quench your hunger.
Yes, sir.
For that, what have you to do?
I have to eat food.
You have to eat food.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What have you to do?
I have to eat different type of cuisine of food.
Absolutely.
Yes.
What is clear? For success.
Yes, sir.
For success.
I read different types of.
Once
I
again.
have to read different types of books.
Very good. You have to read, no, the meaningful books, the useful books.
Yes, right, sir.
No, the related book, the concerned books.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't mean that you want to qualify the math examination, you are reading, no, the bio books. Doesn't make any sense.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The relevant books, no, the concerned books. Please, for success,
I have to work hard.
very good. You have to work hard, you have to work smartly,
Yes.
you have to do smart work.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
I think this is clear, I think.
Yes, please.
So, very, very
Yes, one,
important,
two.
no?
Yes, sir.
This is, what's the date today? 13.
13, yes, sir.
Used to.
Yes,
What's the word?
Used.
After that there is V1.
V1, right, sir.
When you were a baby,
Yes, sir.
when you were,
Baby.
what did you used to do? What used to be your habits, no, which used to take place consistently? For example, when I was a baby, I used to eat too much.
Yes.
I used to eat
Too much.
I used to drink the milk of my mother,
Yeah.
nothing else.
Yes.
That used to be the only food of mine.
Yes.
What was your habit? When you were a baby, what did you used to do? You used to sleep with your mother.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Please.
I
I used to break the toys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
I used to walking with
Used to walk. Very good. You used to walk with
Nick.
With
with
with whom? With some person or without dress? You used to walk without dress,
Yes,
no?
it's-
I'm citizen, even I myself know. So
right, sir.
you used to walk without dress.
Without dress.
Clear? Or you used to crawl, just on this, no? When we are unable, no, to even stand on the legs. Before that, no, the babies, they crawl
Yes.
over there on the elbows and drums. Gee, what did you used to do
I
when you were a
used
baby?
to smile.
Very good. You used to smile too much. You used to weep too much. You used to love